Step 4. Cutting and drilling. Watch Step 1. How to measure. Step 2. Ordering. Step 3. Preparation tips. Cutting. Imperial panels can be ordered pre-cut to your exact measurements or sent larger for cutting on site. If cutting on site, place the wall panel finished side up on sawhorses well supported underneath by a flat sheet of plywood supported by straight lumber that will not sag between sawhorses. Warm wall panels up to room temperature before cutting. Panels are prone to breakage when cold. Determine where the finished edges are located and only make cuts on the edges going against the walls. Mark the cut line with a pencil and then align masking tape along the cut line. This will help guide the straight cut and protect the finished side of the panel that the saw will ride on. Cut the panel using a circular saw with a masonry blade. Do not push the masonry blade through the marble too hard as you risk cracking the panel. Cutting should be done outdoors as considerable dust is created from cutting. Dust can be reduced by having someone hold a shop vac near the exhaust of the circular saw. Dry fit the back panel after cutting and make any necessary adjustments. The back panel should have 1/8 inch clearance on each side. This clearance will be covered by the sidewalls. Never bend a panel to fit as it may break. Install the back panel before cutting end panels. See video on Step 5, Installing and Finishing. Measure the plumbing wall first. Draw a straight line from the end of the tub or base straight up. Then measure the space where the plumbing side wall will be installed. Mark the cut line with a pencil and then align masking tape along the cut line. Cut the plumbing side panel to fit against the back panel. Then measure the openings for the plumbing holes and mark those measurements on side panel. Drilling. Place the side panel finished side up on sawhorses. Support the area you are drilling with wood supports. Make sure support boards are on the outside of the cutting area. Protect the finished side of the panel that the saw will ride on with masking tape. Then mark your plumbing locations again over the tape. First drill a starter hole for your saw, then use a saber saw with a carborundum bit, a roto zip tool, or a Dremel with a tile cutting bit to cut holes for the 4-inch valve. Cut the other plumbing holes with a metal cutting hole saw bit. Dry fit the plumbing side panel. Side panel should fit tight against the back panel. Sanding with a belt sander may be required for a tight fit. Now measure the opposite side wall. Draw a straight line from the end of the tub or base straight up. Then measure the space where the sidewall will be installed. Mark the cut line with a pencil and then align masking tape along the cut line. Cut the side panel to fit against the back panel. Dry fit the side panel to fit tight against the back panel. For more information, visit us at imperialmarblecorp.com or call customer service at 815-498-2303 or email to customerservice@imperialmarblecorp.com and we'll answer your questions promptly.